Welcome to Module 2, Immersion 10. Just for Fun-2, Discovery of the Sun. Funny Comedy Awards, a quiz show. Good evening, friends. You're welcome to today's quiz show. I request Professor Laurel to take the stage and host today's quiz show. Our Master Bean is proud of himself to be quizzed on the discovery of the sun. Watch the show and enjoy every moment of this pleasant evening. Master Bean, please come on to the stage and entertain our guests. Welcome, clap please. The most awaited quiz show starts now.
Good evening, everyone. Nice to meet you all in the pleasant evening hours. I'm proud of being a participant of today's quiz show. I must give the right answers to our host's questions. Kindly whisper a prayer for me.
We are with you. Be confident.
Thank you, friends. Good evening, sir. Please fire your questions.
Listen carefully. You can have a minute to think before you answer my questions. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Who discovered the sun?
My grandma.
Oh, really? Very funny. When did she discover the sun?
Last winter, sir. Our village is generally very cold in winter. Last winter was freezing cold. So my grandma discovered the sun to save our neighbors from the foul weather.
Wow! What a great discovery. What would have happened if your grandma had not discovered the sun? In fact, it's an award-winning discovery. Did she get any award for her discovery?
Yes, Master. She had been nominated for the Charlie Chaplin Comedy Award. But, unfortunately, on the eve of the ceremony, she kicked the bucket.
Oh, that's bad. She should have done it a day later. It's an awful lot of money each recipient is entitled to. What did the CCCA Foundation do? Was the prize awarded posthumously?
No, Master, they didn't.
Oh, that's too bad of them. Swindlers. They have cheated you. Worse than burglars.
No, Master, they aren't. They couriered the prize money along with the diploma and the gold medal to my late grandma.
Oh, that's good. I appreciate that gesture of goodwill. Do they know her contact address?
No, Master, they don't know her new address in heaven. But they have her email address. So, they sent a soft copy of the prize money and the gold medal and the diploma to my late grandma's email address.
Oh, really? That's a fair deal. I very much appreciate their honesty. Honesty is always the best policy. We meet after a break.